How to report a fake Facebook profile. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now you will need to head over to the profile of that person that you seem like it's fake. You can simply search it in the search bar. Once you have found the profile, simply click on it and then move into it. So once you're in the profile of this person, click on this three-dot icon right beside the book now. Different options will be visible to you. You need to click on Report Page. Choose something about this page. From here, select any of the specific option that is valid for you. If not, you can choose something else at the bottom. And there you go, this Facebook profile has been reported successfully. Tap on Done. That's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.